Good morning, students. This is Elvis Strong. I hope you have gone through the previous video that I sent you. Now, today in this video, we are going to talk all about nouns. What is a noun? Well, a noun is a name or a word used for a person, place, animal, or a thing. That is the simple definition for a noun. Now, there are different types of noun: proper noun, common noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun, material noun. These are different types of noun. First, we will understand what is the difference between proper noun and common noun, because these two sound very similar. The difference is, I will explain it to you through an example. Ashoka was a wise king. I have used two nouns over here, Ashoka and king. Now, Ashoka is a proper noun because it is a name given to a particular king. But the noun king is a word which can be given to any of the kings. King can be anyone. But the particular name of that king was Ashoka. So Ashoka becomes proper noun and king is a common noun. It can be the word king can be given to anyone. The king can be anyone. But when I name that king, suppose Ashoka, Ashoka was a proper noun. Another example we can take of trees. Tree is also a common noun. But when I say it's a mango tree, it's an apple tree, it's a papaya tree, that becomes proper noun. Animals. Animal is a common noun. But when I say lion, tiger, cheetah, panther, these all are proper noun. Fruits. Fruits is a common noun. Apple, banana, grapes, these all are proper noun. So that was the simple definition, simple explanation for proper noun and common noun. I hope you don't have any doubts. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Now we come through the abstract noun. What is an abstract noun? Abstract noun is a noun where we express any feeling: happy, sad, cheerful. These all are nouns which express you, gives the feeling. Then we have material noun. What is a material noun? Material noun where we can see what, suppose for an example, we can take gold, silver. Material noun. Platinum, which are in a liquid form. Petrol, these all are used for iron, iron ore, melted form. These all are material noun. Then we have got countable and uncountable nouns. What is a countable noun? Anything that we can count is known as countable noun, and the things which we can't count is uncountable noun. In countable nouns, we can take an example for book, pen, pencils, matchbox, phones, which we can count. But in uncountable nouns, we can't count anything. For example, water, liquid, gold, silver. We can't count gold and silver because it's present in the liquid form. That is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Now, very important, one more, that is collective noun. What is a collective noun? Collective noun is a name for a number of person, place, animal, or a thing. For example, a collection of ships is known as fleet. Collection of bees is known as swarm of bees. Collection of fish, a shoal of fish. Collection of stars, constellation of stars. These all are nouns which is representing, which is given for some collection. Collection of trees, forest. Collection of people, crowd. Now, one term that gives you the description of many things, collection, is known as collective noun. So these were the different types of nouns and explanation, example, anything, any topic that you didn't understand, you please message me. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about kinds of nouns again, that is genders, noun gender, nouns number. These all we will discuss in the next video. For now, you understand what is noun and what is kinds of noun. Thank you.